Hi friends, let's get started. Today we're going to discuss what is quorum. Section 103 of Companies Act 2013 defines what is quorum. Quorum means minimum number of members. Who must be present in order to constitute a meeting and translate a business thereafter. It is like minimum number required to present at the meeting. So, generally, what is a quorum for public company and private company? For private company, two persons personally present. What is personally present? If this is personally present, that the actual member, not proxies are counted, the actual member of the company must be public company. If at all the number of members on the date of meeting, the number of members of the public company is not more than 1,000, then 5 members must be personally present. If it is within 1,000 to 5,000 members, 15 members must be personally present. If it is more than 5,000 members, 30 members must be personally present. These are the minimum members as per the company's rule. The articles may provide for the larger number, but should not be less than the above stated one. What if no quorum is present? Section 103 says the consequence of no quorum. If at all no quorum is present within half an hour from the time appointed for holding the meeting shall stand cancelled. If it is called by the requisition under section 100, that is, if at all the meeting was called by the members itself and afterwards no quorum is present, then it stands cancelled. If at all the meeting was called by the board, the meeting shall adjourn to the next week at the same time, on the same date, and at the same place, or other place or other date, other time specified by the board. So what is the consequence of no quorum? No quorum, no meeting. That's it. Even though no quorum, if at all you transact anything, that stands invalid, since there is no meeting at all. But acts done creating rights in favor of third party without meeting, meeting conducted without quorum being present, the rights will not be affected. There is no quorum and the meeting is conducted and the rights are given to a third party. The rights given are not affected. Notice of adjourned meeting. A meeting is adjourned if there is no quorum to the next week at the same place at the same time, or to such a date or time and place as specified by the board, and notice must be given at least 3 days before to the members or by publishing in newspaper, one in English and local language, famous local language. So that's it. That is the notice. If at all, even in adjourned meeting there is no quorum, the members present shall be treated as the quorum. But single member will never be a quorum unless it is called by the tribunal. Single member will not be taken as a quorum. So that is, who are counted for the quorum? The proxy are not counted. Joint holders are counted in one. Joint holders have the one capacity. Representatives I mean to say, representatives like governor of a state is the representative of the state, so he can appoint proxy. He is not a proxy. He is an representative. He is counted in as a member personally present. Person present in multiple capacities. Person present in multiple capacities. Are counted multiple times. For example, I have attended on behalf of the 3 companies. I am person present in multiple capacities. 3 capacities. I have 3 voting members, so I am counted 3 times. When quorum is immaterial, if all the members are present, quorum is not required. If it is a meeting organized by tribunal, quorum is not required. When do the question of quorum can be raised? Before starting the meeting, any person can raise the question, can question the quorum, existence of quorum. The quorum is enough to be present at the starting of the meeting. It need not be for all the meetings stood. This is specified in the Companies Act Table 4 regarding 44. So, if at all a company has its own articles, some provision similar to like this must be present, or else it is presumed that the quorum must be attended throughout the meeting. So that's it, friends. That's it. Quorum is very simple. Let's have a brief overlook of what is quorum. Quorum is the minimum members. Proxy are not counted for quorum. Persons in multiple capacity are counted multiple times. Representatives are counted. Joint holders one time voted. Quorum is not required for if all members are present. Tribunal is conducted the meeting, and in an adjourned meeting, quorum is the members present. One member never be a quorum. For the private company, 2 members personally present is a quorum. For public company, 1,000 members, 5,000 to 5,015. Above 5,030 members must be present. Articles may provide for the larger number, but should not be a less than this number. What do you say? Quorum must be present within half an hour. Meeting without quorum is invalid. Rights are not affected. Notice, rights are not affected. Notice of adjourned must be given at least 3 days before or in a newspaper advertisement.